Welcome at the Collaboration Summit. My name is Chris, I'm from netgo, from Germany, and we do a lot of IT things. And I'm in the Microsoft universe, especially in the Power Platform at this moment. And I want to show you a little example of a Power App and the offer generator, what we use internally for the salespersons. And here I have the demo. This is the Power App, and with the Power App we give the salespeople the ability to get information about the offer for managed services. And the big advantage for the Power App is here that the salespersons can use the Power App over all devices and from every place. They can use it internally in the office, they can use in place at the customer. And we see here the Power App is embedded in the Teams client, and we have the possibility to view it on the mobile phone or in the browser without changes, just out of the box. And what we see here is the little app, the main screen. And what we do here is we give a customer name for the customer we want to generate, or just a name, and can say how many users the customer has, for example 200 or 250, and select the different managed services that we provide for the Microsoft area. And for example, when I check Basic and dox42 or SharePoint, then I have the possibility to go to Details page and set advanced settings, or go here to the attachments where I can define which attachments sent to the user. And the user now is the salespeople or other people in our company who wants information. And when I say here, create material is this point, and I click send, the Power App submits the configuration, and in the background it starts a Power Automate to complete the whole thing. I show you a little bit of the Power Automate. It's this here, it starts now, and when we look at the Power Automate run, we see here in the first action we got the import from the Power App and some variable definition and a log entry. And in the try block we have different things. We have an HTTP call to dox42 web service, because first we want to create an Excel sheet with prices and article numbers and so on. In the next sections is a check which documents we want, because we see here we have checked different products and services, and in Power Automate now it's checked what we have checked. And when it's done here is a final dox42 web service call which creates everything what we see now, because the result of this is this email here. The user of the Power App gets this email with all this and some more attachments. This means the person or the salespeople got here this template for the offer. It's this here, it's a Word document, so the person can edit it in the next step and send it to the customer, for example. And we see here, it depends on what we check in the Power App. We have merged several documents and placeholders with dox42 from different data sources, and this mail and the generation brings all together. We have this different attachments, and we have this mail body here. Here's the list again with prices, article number from our CRM systems. Here's the customer name and the date of today. And we have the ability to go to our presentation, what is generated to, because we not only have generated Word document or PDF document, we have generated a slideshow too, that the salesperson go just in time to the customer, open the slides, and can start with these topics what he has selected. And when I click here, I think it's open, genau. I come to this presentation, and in this presentation are it's merged from several other presentations. It depends on what we checked in the Power App, and we had different topics, and the salesperson go through with the customer to the different steps and can discuss the things. A little bit what's in the background. You see the mail is sent. We have some templates. With dox42 you can use different Office templates. PowerPoint, we see it's PowerPoint generated. You can use Word, Excel. And in this scenario here, it's the templates looks very simple because it's only merged from other templates. And what we have here is a PowerPoint presentation and a check if we need backup, if we need, for example, SharePoint, or if we need dox42. And then the different modules will be merged to a complete presentation here. And it's the same with the Word template. We have here first the start side, and then different conditions here what we can check if we want the Exchange module or SharePoint module and the other modules. And the result of this whole thing is the email and this documents what you see here and the presentation.